Welcome back friends, Mahiti Dunya YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to analyze basic electronic model question paper and which is going to be useful for the main examination on 20th May, that is after 2 days. Okay, so we'll analyze what are the types of questions which will be appearing for the main examination from the model question paper. Okay, the types of questions they have given correctly in the model question paper number 1 and 2 with a solution only they have given, and it is put it in the VTU website. Now we will analyze how exactly and what exactly the questions will be given, and we'll see whether this will appear in the main examination or not. So probability, the first question, model number 1, which will apply on power supplies, amplifiers, operational amplifiers and oscillators. These are the 4 concepts will cover, huge concepts: power amplifier, power supplies, amplifier, operational amplifier and oscillators. So students, remember, on oscillators they should give one question, amplifier, operation amplifier they should give one question, amplifier one question and power supply one question. Minimum one question from this concept they should give. Okay, let's see. A, question number 1A, they have given explain the block diagram working of DC power supply. Okay, so power supply they have covered. Okay, DC power supply, and also the mentioned principal components used in each block. Okay, so it is for 7 marks. So one question is fixed, that is power supply. Based on the power supply concept they should give one question, and that quota is over, and this question almost it will come in your main examination. Okay, so that is the first one. Let's see the second one. Mention the advantages of negative feedback in amplifier. Now in the amplifier they are giving the amplifier circuits. So advantages of negative feedback, so you are having positive feedback and negative feedback in amplifier, so they are asking advantages of negative feedback system. You should explain the gain, stability, okay, bandwidth, that with relevant equations diagram explain the concept of negative feedback. So amplifier also they have covered, power supply one question covered, amplifier one question covered. So almost this question is also going to ask in the main examination. Next, look at the next one, op-amp, that is operational amplifier. So here we have n number of questions in operational amplifier. So look at what they have asked. With the circuit diagram, waveform show how op-amp operational amplifier acting as a comparator. Now I am not going to say that this question is compulsory it will come, because they can ask op-amp operational amplifier as a voltage follower, as an integrator, as a differential amplifier, as a subtractor, as an inverting amplifier, as a non-inverting amplifier, as a summing adder, inverting adder, non-inverting adder. So we have n number of options. So I will not say this question will come in the main examination. So instead of this they may give n number of applications: inverting, non-inverting, integrator, differentiator, but any one will come, that is for sure. Okay, so that is what you can guess the question like this. These two, probability of getting in the main question paper, it is almost 90%, and this not exactly this one, this similar question you will get the C part. Okay, next we will see the second question in this, that is you should answer this or this one. So this also it should cover power supply, amplifier, op-amp and oscillator. Now look at here. So what is the question they have given in 2A? Just observe in the 2A, with a circuit diagram and waveform explain the working of bridge rectifier. So now they are introducing the rectifier section in this. So it is about a diode, and after that it will come, after power supply it will come. So it is bridge rectifier. Now the one question is fixed on rectifiers, remember students. So they will ask almost full wave rectifier. In the full wave rectifier we have center tapped full wave rectifier, and other is full wave rectifier, bridge rectifier. Okay, so almost they will ask full wave rectifier only. Okay, so we have two types, biphase as well as bridge. So any one they will ask, this is 100% question. They will ask biphase full wave rectifier or a bridge full wave rectifier, fixed question, this one. Okay. Next, B, write a note on frequency response characteristics of amplifier circuit, clearly mentioning half power frequencies is there. So it is about amplifiers. They have asked this. One more question in this amplifier section, they have asked negative feedback. Here they are asking half power frequencies. Okay, two concepts they have given. So that is what the question. Next, see the third question, it is about oscillations. Now in the oscillator, in the first part they have given you what is the question they have given in oscillators, they have not given in the first part, and in the second part 2C part they have given oscillations, they have given the problem. They have given 3-stage ladder network. Okay, determine the frequency of oscillations of 3-stage ladder network, means it is RC phase shift oscillator. Okay, problem they have given. Okay, so along with this, I will not say this is a compulsory question. Okay, so in the oscillator part, probability of getting the questions are these two: RC phase shift oscillator and Wien bridge oscillator. Okay, these two are the theory. Any one oscillator they will ask for 6 to 7 marks, that is compulsory question. Okay, so this is about two questions, means you should write any one in the main examination. Okay, so overall briefly look at here, out of 6 questions, probably 4 questions will come in the main examination, direct questions. The remaining 2 I will not give you the guarantee that they will come in the main examination. Okay, but majority they will come in the main examination. That's why we are telling to read model question paper. We are not guaranteeing that all the questions will come in the main exam. No. So out of this, so my guess is purely 2 questions will not come and 4 questions will definitely come in the main examination. Then I'll switch for the model number 2, logic circuits, data representation, shift register and counters. So question number 3, look at the A. So this is a definite question. Mark it, 3-bit asynchronous up counter. So it is in counter part they are covered. This is counter, definite question. Next, with a neat block diagram, show typical input and output block microcontroller. This is a one more very important question. Mark it. This will not miss in the question paper. 3-bit counter will not miss. Microcontroller will not miss in the main exam. Okay. Next, C. Here they are given D type bistable element. So this may change. This may change D. This may change as RS. This may change as JK flip-flop. RS, D. But the first 2 are compulsory questions. You will get it in the main examination. C, you read all D flip-flop, RS flip-flop and JK flip-flop. Kindly note down which are the questions, very important questions which will come for the main examination. Okay. Now, I will go for the 4th question, A. Design full ladder. This is a very important question. This will come in the main examination without second thought. Next, design 4-stage shift register using JK flip-flop. So this is also very important question. It is about shift register. So they should ask it, because on the shift register only one concept is there, that must come. As like in the counter only one concept is there, 3-bit shift register ripple counter. So here shift register one question, definite question. Okay. Next, write a note on different data types mentioning the bit size and the range of values supported. Okay, this is also fine. This is I will not give very much guarantee about this question, but you can prepare for this question. So compulsory. So they are going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 is guarantee. 2 I don't know about those, whether they will appear in main examination. Okay, so I told you from first and 2 you will get minimum 4, for third and 4 you will get again minimum 4. Okay, so here minimum 4, total 8 questions they will appear in main examination I am speaking. Next, come for 4 and 5 quickly. So okay, sorry, 4 is over. Now I will switch for 5 and 6. 1 second. So I will switch for 5 and 6 quickly. Okay. Now, explain the working principle operation of stepper motor. This is the most predicted question in the third module about what is that? Interfacing part. Okay. That's important. Almost it will come. Write a note on classification of embedded system. So in the embedded system part, we have the classification, characteristics and all. And this is a definite question according to me. Bring out the main differences between UART and USB. And this is the least expected question from my side. So I will not give the guarantee for C. Okay. So similarly, now look at the second set. Sixth question, A. Give the classification of transducers with example. Okay, 50-50. Bring out the difference. This is very important. B is a definite question. B is the definite question you will get. Next, 6C. Define actuator and briefly define following actuators. So here he has done very smartly. 6C. So it covers relay, piezo buzzer. Okay, actuators. So almost this question will come. So here also you can note down. Fixed question is stepper motor and embedded classification of embedded system. They may give write a note on UART and USB. Transducer, this I will not give guarantee. And this is difference between RISC-6, Harvard and human. Van Neumann is a compulsory question. Okay, so again 3 to 4 questions will come here, not 4. So 3 compulsory question will come from 5 and 6. That is stepper motor, embedded system and RISC-6 and Van Neumann. Okay. Next I will go for 7 and 8 quickly. So 7 and 8, it's about communication, analog and digital communication. Let's see which is a very important questions for the main exam. 7. Describe the blocks of basic. So very important question, definitely it will come. Next, define the following terms. Modulation, carrier. The B I will not give guarantee. They may give it like any type of the question. C. Explain the following with the help of waveforms. PAM, PWM, pulse width modulation, PPM and PCM. The C also I will not give any guarantee. But these two, based on this, they will give you the question. But not exactly this question they will give. Okay. First question is fixed. That is the communication system. B and C I will not give you any type of guarantee. But based on that, they will give the question, right? Explain PAM and PW. They may give only 2. They may give 3. They may give. They may ask what is modulation, what is demodulation. Okay, these two questions will not come. Based on this, the questions will come. Okay. Next, so 8A will see. Define sampling theorem, explain the aliasing, and this is a very important question. This may appear in the main examination. Define the following term: multipath, constructive, distributive, coherence, time. He has covered everything very smartly. The question is asked. He has covered everything in the multipath and fading part. And the last one, define antenna and discuss the type of antenna. This is the most likely question. A and C. Okay, A and C are the most likely question. And here definitely basic communication will come, and these two direct questions will not come. So probably they may change little bit and they may give questions. Okay, and I will go for the last part, 9 and 10. So schematic diagram, cellular food system and different basic definite question. B, optical fiber, definite question. With the help of discuss the following network topology, ad hoc network topology. For this I am not give any guarantee. 10A and 10B. 10A is telling about GSM, what is that? Help of architecture figures, explain the evolution from GST. I don't give any guarantee for this. 10B, list the requirement identified for 4G technology. This may appear. So 10A and B, I will not give the same type of questions will come, but based on this they will give the questions. Okay, so I told you students which are the very important questions which will appear for the main examination from a model question paper set number 1. Okay, so I am going to discuss the set number 2 in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video, and we will discuss which are the main questions which are going to be appear for the main examination on 20th, the next basic electronic subject. Okay, share this information and start reading, recap, read the correct notes, and you will get the very good marks. Remember my words. Thank you.